Managing your products efficiently is key to running a successful e-commerce business. With Ordoro's product detail page, you can handle all your product information and actions from one place. Let me show you how. The product detail page in Ordoro is your central hub for managing product information. Here's what you can update and do from this page. You can update key product details such as the product name, the fulfillment type, such as dropshipping, weight and dimensions for accurate shipping, the weighted average unit cost, helpful for tracking product expenses, category, UPC code, and ASIN for better organization, serial number prompt status and customs information for international shipping compliance. Your inventory information is located under the Warehouse tab, where you can adjust inventory levels when they change. This ensures your stock is always up to date. In the Suppliers tab, you can add or update supplier details. This is crucial for both restocking and managing dropshipping products efficiently. The Sales Channels tab lets you review recent syncs and change sync settings for this product, allowing better control over what syncs to your sales platforms. Under Analytics, view your recent sales data to gain insights into product performance. You can also perform several actions directly from this page, such as creating a purchase order to restock inventory, applying tags for easier categorization and filtering, transferring inventory between warehouses to optimize stock levels, printing barcodes to label your products for better organization, exporting inventory logs to track changes over time, adding components to make this product a kit or back-on-market product, combining items as needed, archiving the product when it's no longer active or needed. With all these tools in one place, the product detail page makes managing your inventory and product information simpler than ever. Start using it today and take your e-commerce operations to the next level.